gonna give you my everything.
Beth and John have brought us here together in their home for an occasion of true joy and great celebration. Marriage is a bold step into an unknown future. It's risking who we are individually for the sake of who we can be together.
Happiness in marriage is not something that just happens. A good marriage must be created. In marriage, the little things are the big things.
John, will you take Beth to be your lawfully wedded wife and travel the rest of life's roads together with her?
I do.
Beth, will you love him, laugh with him, comfort him, honor and protect him, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I do. Tonight, surrounded by all of our family and friends, I choose you, John Manta, to spend the rest of my life with. I will never cease to be amazed at how we both can be thinking the exact same thing at the exact same moment, which brought us together in the beginning and cracks me up every time it happens. I promise to remember it is no longer I or me, but it's we.
Beth, Ellen, my sugar magnolia. Above all else, I vow to love you now and forever. I vow to give you my whole heart for all eternity, and I trust you blindly with its care. I thank you for opening my soul to a bigger world, helping to bring out the good Johnny, as my brother Lou sometimes says. And I vow to love you now and forever, Beth Ellen, my honky-tonk woman.
It is my joyful and heartwarming honor to officially acknowledge your union as husband and wife. You may now seal this marriage with a kiss. The very first time as husband and wife, Beth and John Manta.
Like a fool, I went and stayed too long. I'm wondering if your love's still strong. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. Then that time I went and said goodbye. Now I'm back and not ashamed to cry. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. Here I am, baby. Oh, you got my future in your hands. Here I
I pray, and now that I am a reverend, praying means something here, that you continue to experience joy in your relationship, and you continue to grow and learn from each other.
I knew then, as I do now, that Beth is an incredibly kind and caring and just such a fun person to be around, and that my dad's become an even better person as a result of their relationship.
Perhaps more than anyone else, I've had the pleasure of being a part of more of the mundane part of your relationship. And so I can attest for everyone watching that he teases her as much in private as he does in public. And Beth is just as patient with him. They're playful, they're sweet, and they're gracious with one another. They're the kind of couple that can have a riot, not just at a World Series game, but at a late July loss to the Mets. So Beth and Talina, I look forward to sharing many more days, both big and small, with you and our family.
Dad, you've stressed since the divorce how important it was to you that we were comfortable with anybody that you would date, because like you've done our entire lives, you've always made us your number one priority. Well, for what it's worth, we're happy to share that top spot with Beth. Your love for each other is powerful and exciting and even entertaining at times.
John, I truly could not imagine a better person for my mom to marry. Growing up, my mom and I were best friends. I was her little sidekick and we would do everything together. As I grew older though, I started to wonder who was going to fill that role as my mom's best friend when I wasn't around. I knew my mom needed to be with someone who was as adventurous and as outgoing as her. I'm a firm believer that the key to a happy marriage is being with someone who has the same passions as you. And I'm happy that you two have that.
Johnny and Beth are a swell couple. My wife, Linny, and I, like all the rest of our family, are happy that they reconnected after all these years and that they have decided to spend the rest of their lives together.
As John's mother, I wanted to officially invite Beth to our family. And I want to wish them both a long, healthy, happy life together and say, God bless you.
I just love you both together, separately. And Beth, my heart is with you and always there for you both.
Let's take a toast to Beth and John's wedding, and may they have many, many years together.
Cheers. Welcome to the family, John.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to John and
Yeah.
Beth, and we love you.
Yes.
This is a very, very special time to be able to share joyous events with family and friends. We love you very, very much.
We love all you and thank you for doing this with us. We're
Thank
very
you.
lucky to have you with us.
Thank you.
I wanna stay.